Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create hyperlinks in Canva. If you've ever wanted viewers to click from your design to a website, a sign-up page, or a resource, adding a hyperlink to your text is the simplest way to do it. This is especially helpful for Shopify store owners as it allows you to link directly to your product pages, special offers, or external resources like blogs or tutorials. Let's walk through it clearly from start to finish so you know exactly what to look for on your screen and what to expect once the link is applied. Start by opening your project in Canva. Make sure you're on the page where the text lives and confirm that it's a regular text box. Hyperlinks work best when they're applied to text, especially in designs like presentations, digital flyers, or PDFs that people will view on a screen. This method is perfect for those who want to create interactive PDF product catalogs, sales flyers, or presentations that lead potential customers straight to your Shopify store or other important pages. Click the text you want to turn into a hyperlink to enter text editing mode. Now, highlight only the exact words you want linked. You don't have to link the entire sentence, just drag across the specific words or phrase you want people to click. Choosing concise, descriptive words for your link text helps your audience understand exactly where the link will take them. For example, if you're creating a flyer for a sale, you could use a phrase like "shop the sale" or "learn more," making it clear what your viewers will be clicking on. With the text highlighted, right-click directly on your selection and choose Link from the menu that appears. This is the command that tells Canva you're about to attach a web address to that highlighted text. If you don't see the option, make sure your text is still highlighted and you're right-clicking on the selected area. It's a simple but powerful feature that makes your designs more interactive and engaging. Next, type or paste the full web address into the field. A best practice is to use the complete URL, starting with http:// or https:// so Canva recognizes it properly. This ensures the link works as expected and directs your viewers to the right place. For example, when linking to your Shopify store, you'll want to paste the full URL, including https:// to avoid any issues. Double-check for typos before you apply it. When you're ready, press Enter. Canva instantly applies the hyperlink to your selected text. You'll notice your text now shows an underline, which is the visual cue that the link is active. That underline helps people identify clickable text at a glance, making it clear that your design is interactive. The text remains fully editable, so you can adjust the wording later without removing the link. This flexibility is great because you won't have to redo the hyperlink if you make a change to the text. At this point, your hyperlink is in place in Canva's editor. You may not be able to click through while you're actively typing, but rest assured, the link is attached to those words. When your design is viewed digitally, like in a presentation or as a downloaded PDF, that link text will be clickable and will open the page you entered. This is perfect for presentations, digital brochures, or promotional content that you want to be interactive and easily accessible. That's all there is to it. Open your project, click the text, highlight just the words you want, right-click and choose Link. Enter the URL, press Enter, and look for the underline. You've successfully added a hyperlink in Canva. This simple process can save you a lot of time when you need to make interactive designs that direct your audience to important resources or product pages. Now, you can quickly enhance your digital marketing materials and drive traffic to your Shopify store or any other online platform you wish to promote.